Okay, now we are going to be detecting when the player is walking or running. So we're going to need some scoreboard objectives. Scoreboard objectives, add isWalking, and this will be a custom. Oops. Minecraft.custom, and it is walk 1 centimeter. Minecraft.custom walk 1 centimeter. Okay, that's one. There's isWalking, and let's copy that command and change it to isRunning, and that will be Minecraft custom sprint 1 centimeter. Okay, so now we've got two objectives, and I'm going to make myself a little hopper clock. I'm going to put an item in there. In you go, and I'm going to put an on-off switch. Wait. There we go. So the item is going backwards and forwards. We can turn it off. Okay. Let's get an output. Nice. And in here, I am going to scoreboard players set at all isWalking to 0. Done. I'm going to control middle mouse to copy that, and always active chain, and we will change isRunning to 0 as well. Okay, now we're going to get that annoying message, so let's turn that game rule off. Send command feedback false. Okay, so these are now constantly being set to 0. 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, right. Now we want to check if the people are actually going to be walking or running. So let's get another command block. Let's pop a lever on it, turn it on, and we will execute at the nearest player, run, say, you are walking. Okay, now let's put some extra information in here. Let's say their scores equals isWalking equals 5 or higher. Done. Oh, yeah. So as soon as I started walking, let's clear that. As soon as I start walking, it starts displaying the message. If I run, it stops displaying the message. Okay, so we're now checking to see if they're walking. Let's also check to see if they're running. Let's control middle mouse to copy that. Always active chain. And we'll say is running. You are running. Ooh, you are running. There we go. So I'm walking. Now it says I'm running. Now I'm walking. Okay. So that's one way of doing it. We can also change how we take the output. Let's put down a new block. Let's remove that command that's in there, and we will execute if score at the nearest player isWalking matches 5 or higher. Let's turn that one off. Let's clear that. Let's put down. Okay, let's get a lever on there. So I'm walking. I stop walking, it goes off. Now we could put a bell. Now, because I'm continuously walking, the comparator is staying on, so we only get the one output. When I stop, it'll go off. And then it'll ring again. There we go. And we could just change that to isRunning. So now you have to get through maybe a piece of parkour, but you're not allowed to run. As soon as you run, dong, the bell goes off. Maybe you get teleported back to the beginning. Okay, nice and easy. That is how we use the command blocks to check if the player is walking or running. See you in the next video.